Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Mexican-style chicken enchiladas. We'll create a flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, 12 corn tortillas, and a generous amount of cheese. We'll also use one 28-ounce can of enchilada sauce, plus some spices. This entire process will take approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, resulting in a truly satisfying meal for 4 to 6 people. First, let's prepare our chicken. You'll want to boil about 2 pounds of chicken breasts until they are thoroughly cooked, which usually takes around 20 minutes. Once cooled slightly, shred the chicken using 2 forks. Next, for the sauce, simmer one 28-ounce can of red enchilada sauce over medium heat for about 10 minutes, adding your favorite Mexican spices. Mix a small amount of this rich sauce with your shredded chicken to keep it moist and flavorful. Now for the fun part, assembly. Gently warm your 12 corn tortillas in a little oil or chicken broth for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them soft and easy to roll. Dip each warm tortilla completely into your prepared enchilada sauce. Then, fill each one with a generous 2 tablespoons of the seasoned shredded chicken and a sprinkle of cheese. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. To finish, pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over your rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheese over the entire top. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Let them rest for 5 minutes, then serve hot with your favorite toppings like fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado. Enjoy your homemade Mexican feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.